Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Dunn Crazy Marcus here with episode 11 of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Now this week we're doing a bit of a weird dish. I first got introduced to this dish in Greece on holiday. Now you might find it unusual, but it's nice, trust me. So basically we are doing chops and chips, but in a special gravy. Now the gravy is what makes it weird, guys, because it's got red wine in it. Red wine, a drop of orange juice and chocolate. Pretty weird, but so nice. Anyway, I'm going to go wash my hands, then we'll get to cooking. See you in a minute. Okay, going to get the chops out and just put them into pan to cook. Once we've got them cooking away, we will make a start on making the gravy for them. Maybe need second a bit more. There we go. Oil the pan before I forget. Make sure that that's vinegar. That's oil. Just add a bit of oil in the pan so that don't stick. Okay, just spread the oil out now. Okay, then time to just put them in the pan. Just sort of spread them out. Hopefully we've got enough room for them. I'm not too sure. Don't got one spare. Okay, time to put the chops in the oven. There they are in the oven, time to make the gravy. Okay, next thing we're going to do is just melt down the chocolate, get it into a nice sauce. Open it up if I can. Okay, just bung a few bits into the sauce. Then that will be enough chocolate in there. Move it onto the gas and just okay, time to add some red wine. next I'll add a bit of oxo gravy in it just to make sure it does mix well. Okay, going to put some gravy granules in. That should be enough. And now just stir like crazy. Okay, going to take the gravy off for a bit and put the chips in. Oops. Okay, put the chips in now, make sure we can get them cooked. Going to put them on the highest health. Ooh. Ooh, hot. Okay, see when everything's cooked. Okay, everything's done, time to dish up. Just make sure we've got a few chips each. Smells delicious, guys. Think I'll give Scooter Sue the last few chips. Okay, time to dish up the chops. If I can get them, that is. Nice big juicy chops, guys. Looks delicious. Okay, that's 9. There's Mike's. And there's the beautiful Scooter Sue's. Okay, going to put the fork there. Just gonna sort of move the trays up the way. Bring back the pan nearer to me and do. Okay, time to do the gravy now. Put the spoon in the sink. Get my gravy spoon. Just nice big scoop of it. And just pour it over the chops and the chips. Looks gorgeous, guys. Really looks gorgeous. Okay, 9 next. Oh, the smell is amazing. Might even dump my bread in this after. beautiful meal. Chops and chips in a beautiful red wine, orange squash, and chocolate gravy.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Time to give it the all important taste test. I think I'll let Scooter Sue go first.
A bit gravy.
Is it nice?
Oh,
But you're getting food first.
Red
Not
wine?
wet flavours. Yeah, do red wine first.
try and get a bit of meat.
Mm. That is gorgeous, guys. I think you could definitely maybe get a bit tipsy off it.
It's all taste, Marcus. No alcohol in it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
definitely getting the red wine.
Yeah.
And then there's like the aftertones.
Yeah, you get the red wine first, then the aftertones of the chocolate and orange squash.
Very nice.
Okay, guys, I'm going to tuck in. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.